You go. I got you.
Isaac, keep it going.
Tanner, get ready. Tanner, get ready.
Kick, Isaac.
Kick it in. Kick it in. Come on, kick it in.
Good job. Keep going, Thunder.
There you go. Turn it around.
Denton, keep going, buddy. Get it out of there. Cut him off.
It's orange.
What age group is your team?
Huh?
What ages are your team? Is your team?
Second and third grade.
Big man compared to ours.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah, he is. He's a monster. He's got an arm on him. What, buddy?
Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Keep. Let's go.
Faith, they're right behind you.
There you go. Kick it in.
Tanner, get that ball. Good job, buddy.
I don't know why they don't just kick that ball right there. Are you recording them?
I'm trying to. It's too
Spread out, orange. There you go.
Denton, turn it around, buddy. Oh. Come on, Thunder, get on that ball. Faith, baby. Tanner, get it. Good job. Faith, are you taking a break?
They're not. There you go. Come on.
Tanner, get that ball.
Finish it.
Get the ball.
What is he doing? Clear go. Kick it. Kick it in.
Come on, Faith, get it out of there. Oh, little slide tackle there.
Yeah.
Let's go, Thunder. You're doing good, buddy. Because you're a madman. I know. You're doing great, buddy. Keep it up. What else you got? What else?
Take it down.
Get ready. Tanner. Thunder, get in front of that ball.
Kick it in.
Come on, Joy. Tanner, that's out. That's out. Go ahead. Good job, Thunder. Thunder, spread out a little bit.
Danny, back up.
Darren in. Mama, Darren in.
Come on, madman.
What's up?
Tanner, give it to Joy right here. Joy.
Daddy. Am I going to be playing here or somewhere else?
Somewhere else. Steal it.
Pass. Let's go, Joy.
There you go, Danny.
Let's go with it all the way.
This might be their first loss.
Is it still looking at them?
Yes.
They got a chance. They're just not finished.
Tanner, as soon as it gets close to that blue box, you gotta be ready, okay? Pay attention to that. The ball's down here.
Here's when their teeth together was coming. I was like, here, what is this? You're doing great, Tanner.
Darren, run! What are you doing? Oh, you're
Come on. Let's go, Dan.
Come here, ball.
Get in there.
Darren.
Pass it out. Come on. Shoot it in.
Oh my God!
Tanner, wait.
Why would you not shoot
Wait till your
it?
team gets ready.
What are they doing?
Exactly.
Come on, Thunder. Spread out. Move around.
Darren, he passing it to him.
Steal it!
Get that. Please.
Come on, Danny. Score it! There! You hit that. Good kick,
Nice
Dan.
try, Thunder. Let's get it back.
Now scores 1 and 2 in the second half here.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Dan.
Good job, Tanner.
Dan.
Keep attacking. Oh, that was smart. Hey, let's steal it, Darren. Steal it.
Come here, ball.
Yeah, there you go. Go. Let's go. Come on. There you go. You too big not to be able to get that.
Oh my God, move.
There you go. Kick it down.
Son.
Kick it down.
Dan, get that Dan.
Throw it.
Dan.
There, go. Come on.
Dan, go. Dan, go.
Kick it in. There you go.
Come on, get it out of there.
There you go, Danny.
Dan shouldn't be out.
Darren's still in. You still recording them? Are you making sure the camera's on them?
Yes.
Oh, I like the squad. Let's go. Turn it.
That's your goal.
That's mine.
Oh.
Yay.
Good. Let's go. Turn it around.
Joy, come on
Run
now.
it. Kick it up. Keep going. Let's go, Darren.
Get in front of that ball, Thunder.
Hey, he's still in. Keep playing.
Dan.
What is he doing?
They don't know the line.
It rolled out.
No, this is still in right here.
Hey, Darren.
There you go. You got it.
Get up. Good job. All right, Thunder, come on. We need to get it out of there.
Steal it, Darren. Steal it. Cut him off.
Denton, that's your ball, buddy. Keep going.
There you go. Keep going, Darren.
Pass it off.
Steal it. There you go. Not to touch the ball, but to move.
Dan, go. Dan. Ooh, got roasted.
Turn it in. Hey, go.
No, Dan, go. No, Darren.
Okay. I was wrong about that. Coaching too much football. Turn around, Dan.
Buddy.
Turn around.
Right here. He about to kick it to him.
Oh, you got that still.
Denton, that's all yours. Go with it.
Give it, Tyler.
No, you don't.
Turn that around.
Come on, Joy, that's yours.
Woo.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, kick that down. Let's go, Dan. Kick it in.
Go get it.
Kick it in.
Oh, Dan, Dan, get back. Hey, Dan, get back. Hey, Dan. Oh, why would y'all take Dan out? You stupid dodo.
Hey,
make sure your camera. AJ, make sure the camera's on the ball. Make sure the camera's on the ball.
I don't know what this is.
Kick it in. Kick it in. There you go. You got it. All of this hesitation. Kick that mug in. There you go. Kick it in. Kick it in. Ah, that was good. There you go. Turn it right back around. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Keep it down here.
Out of there. Good job, buddy.
Let's go, Orange. Turn it around. There we go. Hold on, watch out. Back up. It's still in. Still in. Oh, good. Finish it. Finish it. Scoot up, y'all. Scoot up. It's a corner kick. Is it orange or purple? Orange, yeah. Okay.
Keep up that great defense. Go to the middle, Isaac. Isaac, go to the middle. Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Towards the goal, Isaac.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Roy, it's yours.
Go, 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 go.
Thunder, come on, defense.
Let's go. Let's go. Lightning, let's go.
Get in front of that ball. Good job. Good block.
Get your hands out your pocket, kid. Let's go. Kick it in.
Good job.
Still it, still it. Hold on. Still in. Same team.
It's our goal, Thunder.
Go, 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 go.
Around a lot. Get back to the goal. You don't want no accidents. Good job. I don't want to even record 12. It's at least 8 minutes. Come on, come down. What? What's going on? You got the camera on him?
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Turn it out. Turn it around. They lost all of their aggression when they took the game out.
Go, Isaac, go. Go, Isaac.
Get your hand out your pocket, kids. Come on. Let's go. Good score. Made it tie back up. Whoa.
This stuff is too handy.
I got you. This brother. This boy is ready, boy. Out of nothing, probably. They don't really keep score. This one keeps fogging up on us like it's trying to focus. Oh, still in play, out of play. I'll be ready to run a lot more than this.
Who?
You?
Oh my gosh.
I don't want y'all running out of bounds at all, unless we got the lead. I mean, unless we don't got the lead. You ain't starting offense, you're starting defense. Because I want to pick sixes, man. That's what I need.
No, can I just do the play one thing and then give it right
I'm going to
back?
have you at corner. I'm going to have the other kid. I can't remember his name. I'll remember him if I say. I think his name is Dalton. Let's go. Let's go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Let's go, Lightning. That's good. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Danny is just out there. Let's go, Danny. Come on, come on. Keep attacking. Because he don't respect, like, he really doesn't respect them kicking the ball from right there. So he can cheat and move all the way up and kick the ball. Keep the ball at this side of the half is what their goal is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They don't really have any, like, dynamic kickers. They got a lot of effort people, though. They definitely out-hustled us that first half. But it looked like the kids done woke up now. They got that Folgers coffee in them. Let's go, Danny. There you go, Danny. Goalie, go down. Tyler, go back. He is way down here. Let's go. There you go. There you go.
Good steal.
Oh. Yeah, he can still get that mug.
I thought the line hit.
It's that red line. Now, even if he's in the box, if he touches it and lets it go, you still can kick it in. Only when it's in his hands. Come on, y'all. This girl number 3 is taking too long to get down there. There you go. Throw it out, throw it out, throw it out. There you go. Come on. Attack the ball. Let's go. Finish it. That was good. That was good. That's good.
That was good hustle.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Get close, Thunder. Get close.
Go. Watch the ball, Isaac.
Get open.
I call Nathan.
Go, Denton.
There you go. Turn around.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Get it in there. There you go, Darren. Take that. Take that. Take that. Oh, man. There you go. There you go. Come on, y'all. Get it, Darren. Get it, Darren. Oh, I didn't hear it. Oh, my fault. What happened? 2 players hit each other. From the same team. Orange, let's go, Orange. Let's go. There you go, there you go, there you go. That was a good hook. Get to the middle of the goal. Get to the middle of the goal. Get it in there. Get it in there. There you oh! You see where you was, though?
Oh my
Back up, Orange, a little bit. Back up a little bit.
Hey, Darren!
Spread out a little bit. Hey, turn around, turn around. Back up a little bit. Get it. There you go. Turn it in. Hey, Ace. We need them to spread out. Another Orange should be at this corner.
Buddy!
No. He got to stay in this position though. He's supposed to be on that side.
Darren, move it.
No. He's doing right.
He ain't gonna do it that far.
Oh, that dude can throw.
Oh, he can?
But he's just in case they get the ball and turn and run. Darren, the person that steals. There you go. Go ahead and get it. Steal it. Kick it in. All right, it's out now. Kick it. Oh, man. I done spit all over this phone. Turn it around. Oh, a trip. They good. You on the line there. Throw it. Get ready to steal, Darren. They'll just steal right there. Kick it. Back up, Orange. Orange, back up a little bit. There you go. Kick it in. Yeah. 3-2. That's the way to. Did he just kick you? Hey, what's going on? I think they know each other.
Yeah, she just said their brother.
Oh, okay. It's good. Is this not the longest game ever? You know why? She's stopping the clock at dead balls.
Ankles.
I don't know.
Mommy, what time is it?
11-16. Got somewhere to go? Somewhere to be?
That game is in 1. That mother's gonna pop right up on them. I'm gonna coach defense today and let the other coach offense. Yeah, I think I want to do that because our defense been giving up a lot of points. I want to make it where the team don't score at all. I ain't worried about offense.
You better at offense, though.
Oh, nah. I'm better at defense. I had them last. Huh? Yeah. It's 3-2. The other team ain't scored this half. Let's go, Lightning! Oh, man. That might change. We got a bad lineup out there, y'all. These kids got good effort right here. Let's go! Let's keep going. Let's go! Turn it, y'all. Turn it back this way. Go ahead and steal it. There you go. He just kicked that out. Hey, we can't have the ball on that side of the field. We got to keep it on this side. Bring it on back. Come on down. He can throw too, or he can kick. Let's go. Attack it, Danny. Get the ball, Danny. It's a good save. See, right now, this football be running the ball out. It's like we got the lead. We gonna take our time now. There you go. Come on. Attack the goal. Orange. You've always started offense every game. Start defense, get a pick six. I'm expecting every time they throw the ball, y'all to intercept it.
Yeah, that's why they don't throw it to the side.
I'll start Connor, you. The offense is now going to be playing defense.
Oh, okay, that's it. I don't want to play with the offense.
It's an illegal touch. Come on, kick it down there, Mike. Kick it, Danny, kick it. There you go, Danny. We need a big kick right there.
Daddy, what time are we leaving for my game?
12:10 maybe. We should have bought your stuff. I didn't know. Here, you record
I
here.
already got my stuff in my backpack, sir.
You got all of your stuff you need?
Yes, sir.
Right there, point that way.
It's in my backpack. Hey, go, go, go! Tiny fucking ass. What the heck, you, man? You ain't getting nothing, mommy. Duty. Yeah! Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I got it.
Get in there. What?
Good. Way to kick it out. Get it out there.
They can come back.
Oh, we already did. They winning now.
The orange team?
Yeah, it's 3-2. The orange team winning. Purple team, it was 2-0 at half. Purple team was beating them 2-0. And now we done scored 3 goals this half. Go ahead and take it. Come on, y'all. There you go.
Get it, Michael!
Well, she tried. That's good goalie right there. Mike, turn around.
Go get the ball, Michael.
Kick it, Danny.
Bring it back.
Come on, y'all. I need a sub bad.
Man, he's Darren in. Coach, can you please put Darren in?
Big kick. Come on, y'all.
Come on, Michael, get the ball. Bring it back.
Come on, kick it hard. Get it out of there. There you go. Kick. Big kick, Mike.
Come on, bring it.
Come on, big kicks. Sub Tom. Yeah, that's good. There. It'll be offense in a second. Don't worry about it. Come on.
Dan, you got it.
Yeah. They started the game without our subs in. Game ends 3-2.